Hi Maker, I'm Angel with fleecefun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Give Thanks platter. It's really cute and easy to make, and it's also a great way to upcycle an old platter that you don't want to necessarily use anymore. For this project, you will need the following. You will need a Cricut machine, permanent vinyl, transfer tape, light grip mat, weeding tools, a large platter, chalk paint, paintbrush, wooden utensils, wooden beads, and Fleece Fun's free file available on fleecefun.com. Now that you have all those items, it's time to get started. Step 1, prep the platter. Okay, first things first, because I want this platter to have that nice matte kind of farmhouse look, I'm going to paint it with chalk paint. To give the platter plenty of time to dry before we add the other elements, we'll need to paint it first. Since I'm using chalk paint, there's no need to prep or strip the platter. Paint the platter. Tip: it had been a while since I'd used my chalk paint and it had dried out a little bit. By adding some hot water, you can make it usable. Great, let's set that aside and let it dry completely. Step 2, cut out the words. Using a fine point blade, cut out the words. Because this is permanent vinyl and not heat transfer vinyl, don't worry about mirroring. Weed the vinyl. Once it's all weeded, add the transfer tape. Now for me, it's key just to lay everything out and get an idea of spacing before you glue or adhere anything down. Step 3, bring the Thanksgiving home decoration together. Before you adhere anything to the platter, lay it out first to get an idea of spacing. First, add the Give Thanks lettering. Then add the forks and spoons. Now after adding those cute utensils to it, I felt like it still needed a little something, so I added some wood beads to the border. Start at the bottom and work your way around. I used 2 fingers in between each bead to give it even spacing. Now your Thanksgiving home decoration is ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. And that's it, some really cute farmhouse style Thanksgiving decor that's fast and easy to make and has that very nice classic look. If you like this project, I have several more Thanksgiving projects that I think you'll like on fleecefun.com. All my projects and tutorials are free and they come with free templates and files and all kinds of good stuff like that. Let me know in the comments below, what are you thankful for this year? And in the filming of this, it's 2020, so that's kind of a harder question than some years. Let me know.